Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you how to soft reset your phone if your touchscreen is freezing or not working properly on the Moto G 5G 2025. What you're going to do is hold down on the power and the volume down button until the screen goes dark. Now the screen is going to take a screenshot. Continue to hold the buttons. It usually takes 5 to 10 seconds. Screen just went off, and just that fast it's coming back on again. So what this does is it basically mimics taking the battery out of the phone and putting it back in, and it just helps to reboot the entire system. Generally, if you're having a glitch with your screen, it's because of an app that could be having an issue, or it could be a software issue. This usually will fix that. Now if this doesn't fix it, my next question would be, is your screen cracked or damaged in any way? Because if the screen is damaged, then this is not going to fix your problem. So if this doesn't work, then the next thing I would recommend for you is to take your phone to your local service and repair center. Usually you find them in malls, and have them look at the screen and diagnose it to see what it would cost to replace the screen. Or you can reach out to Motorola as well and see what it would cost to have the screen replaced. So this will not damage your phone. It won't delete anything on your phone. It's just simply going to reboot this system. Very safe and very effective in a lot of cases if your screen is frozen. If you got value out of this video, make sure you bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Here I'll link to my playlist with my other videos on the Moto G 5G 2025. And here I'll link to another really helpful video as well. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.